Exclusive science experiment lessons of the week. Dolphin class. Weekly theme, Little Scientists Exploring the World. 1 mini water pump experiment. Objective, discover the pushing force of air. Understand how water moves through a tube. Activity, children use a plastic bottle, straw, and a mini hand pump to create a stream of water. Navy observes water moving from a lower level to a higher level. Penguin experiments with stronger pumping and compares the speed of the water flow. Rocky counts how many pumps are needed to fill a cup. Nova makes predictions with the teacher before starting the experiment. Science concept. Air pressure can push water and make it move. To walking rainbow experiment. Objective. Learn about color mixing. Develop observation skills. Activity. Using paper towels and cups filled with red, yellow, and blue-colored water, children create a magical rainbow. The children carefully watch the colors travel through the paper and blend into new colors. Science concept. Water can move and spread through absorbent materials. 3 little rain cloud experiment. Objective. Learn about rain formation. Observe changes in water. Activity. Shaving cream represents clouds, while colored water creates a rainfall effect. Science concept. When clouds become too heavy with water, rain begins to fall. For rainbow volcano eruption. Objective. Observe a simple chemical reaction. Encourage curiosity about science. Activity. Baking soda, vinegar, and food coloring combine to create colorful volcanic lava. Science concept. Some substances react together and produce gas. 5 giant bubbles experiment. Objective. Explore surface tension. Develop fine motor skills. Activity. Children create giant bubbles using a rope wand and soap solution. Science concept. A soap film can trap air and form bubbles. This week, Dolphin class will transform into a team of little scientists, conducting hands-on experiments, observing, asking questions, and discovering the wonders of science. Learning through experience, playing while learning, exploring with all senses.